Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning the stage, free up space, and restart the phone. First, remove large files or offload apps until you have 5–10% free. This reduces paging. Then, restart the device, hold the side button, power off, wait 10 seconds, and power on so iOS can rebuild caches. Once done, open the App Store and update apps. Make sure background updating apps are current, because outdated apps can hog CPU in iOS 26. Now, tune performance settings to reduce CPU and GPU strain. In Settings, disable Background App Refresh for apps you rarely use so they stop waking in the background. Next, go to Accessibility and enable Reduce Motion and Reduce Transparency. This lowers animation and visual effects that tax rendering. Finally, change Mail from Push to Fetch and disable Precise Location for non-critical apps. This reduces constant sensor and network activity, which helps smooth responsiveness in iOS 26. Finish with final cleanups and a troubleshooting step. If things still lag, reset network settings to clear corrupted connections. This won't erase media, but will remove saved Wi-Fi. Check battery health in Settings. If health is low, CPU throttling may occur, so consider battery service. If lag persists after these steps, back up and reinstall iOS 26 via Finder or Recovery Mode. This removes deep software corruption. If reinstalling fails, contact Apple support. Document what you tried when you call.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.